Roll-off dumpster rental service, Jersey Shore, New Jersey. For reliable and efficient roll-off dumpster rental services in Jersey Shore, New Jersey, TSF Disposal is the trusted partner you need. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a commercial construction project, or just cleaning out your property, we have the right size dumpsters to handle all your waste disposal needs. With a wide range of roll-off dumpster sizes, from 10 to 40 yards, we ensure that you get the perfect fit for your project, no matter how big or small. At TSF Disposal, we pride ourselves on providing fast, hassle-free service. Our professional team delivers dumpsters promptly and picks them up on time, ensuring your project stays on schedule. We also prioritize environmentally responsible waste disposal, ensuring all debris is managed properly to keep Jersey Shore clean and sustainable. Whether you're dealing with construction debris, household clutter, or yard waste, our roll-off dumpsters are equipped to handle it all. Just give us a call, and our experts will help you choose the right dumpster, schedule delivery at your convenience, and take care of the rest. With competitive pricing, clear terms, and no hidden fees, TSF Disposal provides an affordable, transparent solution for all your waste removal needs. For dependable roll-off dumpster rentals in Jersey Shore, New Jersey, contact TSF Disposal today at 732-691-8102. Experience a seamless waste disposal process that makes your project more efficient.